was recording just now and I wasn't. Anyway, today you have to do a review on my... What's up, y'all? Hold on. All right. Today, y'all might be wondering, like, Bri, you're back again with the wig. Like, yes, I am. And I'm going to tell you why I'm back with the wig. Because, disclaimer, this is not shit. I promise you. Like, me and my friends is doing a project. And, it's brown paint. But anyway, yeah, I'm back with a wig on my head again. Because, and I don't even think it's centered right now. But listen, it's quarantine. Who needs their wig to be centered? Like, and it's not even fully flat right here. Like, but whatever. Listen, I came back with my wig on, my handy dandy wig, because I'm doing a review on it now. Yeah, let's just get into it, because I'm not even about to play with y'all no more. Yeah, so basically, I got my hair from Majestyhaircompany. I think that's the name of it. And this is not sponsored. You don't even know I'm doing this video. I was gonna start like on the shipping, but like I got it delivered to me because I had to have it before I went to school. Y'all don't know I go to Buffalo State. I had to have it before I went to Buffalo State or whatever, and she was like how shipping is 5 to 10 business days, and that I only waited the full 5 and whatever. So she had to come hand deliver it to me myself. So shipping, I can't even rate that one because like I didn't get it shipped. But when I got it, the hair was 613. I dyed it with Platinum Adore. Yeah, I got a video on that too if y'all want to see how I got this color and how I made the wig and how I put it on. Now, I promise you, when I first, it wasn't like this. I still got to cut off half of my lace on this. It's not even like pushed back like this right now. I just put it like this because I don't have to, listen, I don't have time. Like when outside open up and I can get cute, then I'll be stunned on niggas with this, but it's not open yet, so. Yeah, but I'm trying to think. I got this hair in January. Right now it was April, but again, I don't wear my wigs fully. Like when I first put it on, it was glued on my head. After that, I unglued it and I started like just wearing it and being able to like slip it off. Like right now, if I wanted to, this thing could slide back like 4 flats on the Cadillac. Month review for it being like 2 months. This is honestly, I can say this is like the best 613 hair I had for having it for this long. Usually like it, like look at it, hold on. It moves. So far for like silkiness and how it moves, I give that like a 10 for it being like 613 hair and not like all coming out. Speaking of coming out though, it sheds. Hold on. Right now I got like 2-3 pieces, but if I keep raking through, I'm gonna get more pieces on my hands. So shedding, I'll give like shedding 6. I give shedding like a 6. Coloring, it took color good, but I also toned it. So like if y'all want y'all 613 hair not to be brassy, you can also go watch that video. I'll post it in the I'll post both the videos in the yo, this is about to really get me tight. I'm about to post both the videos in the comments. But oh, things I don't like, I'm about to do pros and cons. Things I don't like about the wig, things I do like about the wig. Things I don't like, we're gonna start there first, is that like right now it's actually not doing it and I'm really shocked, but the closure, when it was like wet, like in wet mode, like when I used to wear it wet because it's the first time you straightening it, that's another thing. So I don't know how it really does straightened or if it's gonna nap up a lot because I did not wear it straight. I wore it in its wet state. So the closure used to like ball up in the middle and be straight at the end and at the top. So I used to have to constantly comb through the closure and then that'd be a lot of shedding coming out. When it was basically, okay, let me brush this down now again because I don't have no product in it. I just straightened it. So, and I straightened it on my mannequin head. That's why it's like this. It's not like that. Oh, the closure also plucks good. Like I fucked with the closure OD. Like it plucked really good. It held up, but it just started to shed out. Like I think my closure's like right here now. Whatever, I think it was like a 20, but it happens. It didn't bald. but I think that's up to us. It matches your skin good if you like, don't even have to bleach it. Like I didn't bleach my closure, and yeah, it's still valid. What else? The bundles. Let's see, like the wefts. It was like, I guess like this long, doubled. This is how much like one bundle came. I wish I could add like a fourth one in. I might just go buy another fourth bundle and like put it in here, like throughout the hair. Because like once I got to the top, I started like single weffing it, I think, and it's enough to cover it, but I wish I had a little bit more to fulfill it. Oh, I don't like that like by your neck, like back here, it like knots up. Like it knots up, not badly, but like you gotta keep brushing it through. And I'm pretty sure if you go into a hot party, the back of this might really like nap up because like you sweating and stuff. Definitely I feel like with 613 hair all the time you need to carry a brush on you. It gets like, it's like, to me it's like Hannah Montana wig hair. Like I don't know, not this one though. This one moves good, but usually with damn, that itch feel good. Usually with 613 hair, it will nap up on you. That's like a given. I've never had 613 hair that was just as good as my black hair that I buy. Whatever. Hi, Bubby! Anyway, as I was saying, so yeah, the things I like about the hair is that it keeps the color good. It straightens well. For the first time for me, straighten it. I like that it's not too thick. Well, this is actually after it shedded it like a lot. Hold on. This is after like it shedded a lot, but it's still like, it still got mad hair in it. Now don't look at my part, don't look at nothing. I told y'all, like I didn't do nothing to the wig. I just slapped it on off the mannequin. So yeah, but basically the only problem I really had with it was that it kind of shedded a lot. But it doesn't really shed that much no more. Yeah, I really don't got that much for this video. All I know is that to wrap it all up, shipping, I can't tell you how much that is, but I can tell you that she does stick to her code of like 5 to 10 business days, like no weekends involved. So if you really want to order this hair, you need to order it in advance to give her time to ship it off. Oh, let me get up and show you how long I got it. I got it, I think it's like a 24, 22, and it comes like here, and to the side is like there. But I can't remember how much I paid for it. I think I paid like $325 for it. All in all, I would give this hair a, right now, 8 on a good day. How the fuck did I forget this? This is my new slogan. Hold on, I'm about to try it out. Hold on. And guys, we are family and family supports one another. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's quarantine and I'm about to be busting out videos like it's nothing. Alright, anyway. She keep the meals on high.